So today is the second day of carnage, and I would say it was very tough to trade today's market. Bank Nifty, it was Bank Nifty expiry and lots of spikes, lots of injection, and a single candle itself moved more than 100 or 50 points when you are collecting a very low premium, right? So it was very hard. India VIX was kind of okay now, but still you will not find premiums. And when the market makes spikes or makes a two-way three-way move in just 5 minutes, I can say you a single strike is going from 10 rupees to maybe 200 or 250 rupees, and that is what we experienced today. So it was a very tough market today, right? So what might happen to the market, or what is going to be the target going forward? I may be right, I may be wrong, that's a whole different ball game. But end of the day, all we have to do is make sure we are in profit, right? So we'll see what happens next going forward, whether it is Nifty, Bank Nifty, or for that matter Sensex and DAs, FIA. Institutional activities, institutions are net buyers today, they have bought. And if I have to tell you, it was only Reliance which was holding today's market. If it was not Reliance, maybe we would Bank Nifty would have touched 47,000. And if you are seeing this Nifty chart, Nifty would have touched maybe gone below even 41,500, right? So we'll talk about that. And before that, let me show our PNL screen. So this is our PNL. We made a total profit of around 14,481. So market was, that's what I told, market was super tough. We were not able to manage. In fact, many were not able to manage. So it was very hard to trade today. And these types of market spikes and these kind of market movements are indication that the markets are likely to maybe reverse, or maybe we are finding some bottom in the market, right? So let's say hypothetically, if the market is bottoming, trying to bottom out, maybe 2 or 3 days of indecisiveness or dodgy pattern will be formed, then the market may reverse, right? Now, since we were telling that there is going to be a correction, or there is going to be a the probability of market consolidating is very high, and that is what is happening. And had you seen our videos earlier or lately, that I have been saying that 47,000 is a very strong support in terms of Bank Nifty. And why should I say that 47,000 is a very strong support? Now, if you see this candle, which is 21st of December candle, low was around 46,000, 47,000 or 46,000. To be precise, it is around 46,900. And today's candle low was around 47,050 or 47,100. And if you see the other candles also, this candle, which is 13th of December candle, low was around the same level. And even this candle, if you see this 5th December candle, low was around the same level. So what you understand, 4 days of candles, 4 days of different candles, and 4 different days having same support, means you have to remember that this might act as a good support. Now, market may go on the higher side or may not go. That we will have to wait till tomorrow. As of now, as I talk to you, Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, everything is flat. Not only the US market, even the European markets are flat. So we might see some maybe we will gap up. Let's say if market is gapping up tomorrow, or let us say even if it is gapping down, this market has to sustain today's low of, I'm talking about Bank Nifty, 47,050 levels or 47,100 level, and that is where the support is exactly placed. So look for 47,100 or 47,050 levels, so that you will have if the Bank Nifty, if the bears are able to take this 47,100 levels, then we might go to the next support of around maybe 46,500. That is where the next support is placed. And in terms of higher side, let's say if a market is gapping up tomorrow, we might not move above 48,000. So 48,000 in terms of open interest, many people have written 48,000 call option. We have also returned 48,000 call option in terms of Bank Nifty. And in terms of Nifty, I have been saying that even though Bank Nifty is moving on the downside, we are not getting the momentum is not seen on Nifty, and the main reason is Reliance. And Reliance is one stock which is just holding this market. One single-handedly, Reliance is holding the Nifty 50. If it is not Reliance, maybe we would have gone on the downside. And let me take you to the Reliance chart so that you can understand. Today alone it was up by more than 2.7%. So this is the Reliance daily chart, and today you can see how much it has moved. Low was around 25,700, high is around 26,500. So Reliance today moved more than how many points? Let me tell you clearly, around 2.70%. So that's why I told, if it was not Reliance today, we would have gone, maybe Bank Nifty would have gone below 47,000, and Nifty might have gone below which levels, around maybe around 21,500 levels. So it was purely Reliance, and that is where institutional activities happen. And I wouldn't be surprised if institutions have bought, and that is the main thing here. Institutions have bought, DIAs have bought for around 2,080 crores, and FIIs have sold for 1,721 crores, right? So this is how markets are. So we'll see how things work out. As of now, I still believe this 47,000. And look at the Nifty, right? Like, I mean, it doesn't want to give up. No matter what happens, it doesn't want to give up. It is not like for the last 5 or 6 trading session, you can observe, if you had observed Nifty, it is not even moving below 21,500. So you can understand that 21,500 is a very, very strong support, and 47,000 is a very, very strong support in Bank Nifty. If we are going on the higher side, that would be an uncharted territory that we will talk later. But as of now, market should consolidate. And as an expiry day trader, for now market should have some market, this milem or whatever is happening in terms of market, like spikes and so on and so forth, may stop in the coming days, is what I expect. Lots of spikes and lots of two-way, three-way moves in the market is not good for if it's not good for option seller, especially if you are an expiry day trader. So it's going to damage you left, right, and center, right? That's what they say, right? So we'll see how things work out. As of now, still we believe that the market is going to consolidate. 47 might be a very, very strong support. And in terms of Nifty, this 40, not 40, in terms of Nifty, if you see 21,500 might be a very, very strong support. And in terms of US market is all flat. Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, everything is flat. S&P Europe is also kind of flat. So we'll have to wait for a few more days unless there is any bad news or negative news which is going to tell us the market trajectory. So if we are not getting any positive news, or if we are not getting any negative news, market may likely consolidate or move in the sideways direction. And this is what I've been saying, and it is going to be consolidating with a huge swing on the both side. So be cautious. If you are an expiry day trader, trade carefully and trade cautiously, right? Last but not the least, people say that this stop losses is very, very important. Let us say if you had stop losses in Bank Nifty today, 11:15 candle, go and see 11:15 candle today. 11:15 candle alone would have taken hit your stop loss, both on the downside and on the higher side. So that was the kind of movement we had observed. So one candle moved more than 100 or 150 points, and it was, as I told you, it was super tough today, right? So we'll see how things work out. As of now, I'll sign off. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. try to make some try to make some uh, non-directional delta neutral strategies so that you make some money. For now, I'll sign off. Take care. Goodbye.